Good morning everyone, especially Mr. Kairu. Let me introduce our group member. They are Sydney, Regine, Baoying, and I am Yan Li. Now I'm going to talk about Project Brief. Nowadays, many commercial properties in city will become residential area. This is to accommodate the future city worker who would like to live near their workplace. That is to accommodate future urban workers who wish to live near the workplace. This project is to create an inspiring living environment for young professionals that is shaped by a lively and energetic, sustainable culture of the future. So, what is residential complex? Residential complex is the place that are provide sitting, accommodation, cooking, dining, or both facility. This original building is the old fire station and rescue building in Jalan Bandar Kaba, Melaka, into a small residential complex. Currently, the building is the Melaka Golf Gallery, and the units in this complex will become to the property as micro house. We will be focusing on converting the internal part of the building for new. Also, we will be preserving the outer shell of the building because it holds historical value. About the building, the pilaster column built according to the symmetrical layout of the grid on its plan and facade. Concrete as the material of the wall and floor finishes. Roof structure is combined made of timber beams and L-channel steel rafter. And site strategy. Around the building, there are also many street and tourist streets, such as cafe, restaurant, Joker Street, night market, and other. And for the site winners, as we can see in the video that when car crowds increase, it will become very crowded and dangerous. For the communal garden provide an opportunity to create an income and encourage economy and community development, beautifying the neighborhood, have a lower crime rate than many other urban communities. So for the communal garden, we choose low light, which is high pressure sodium HPS bulbs, produce a red-orange light that benefit flowering with an average lifespan 2+ that of metal LEDs. High pressure sodium lamps are economical. This isn't a great light if you are only going to use one. For this project, we decide to use garbage chute system, which is common to large apartment and condominium buildings. It also can decrease their potential for dealing with harmful insects. Also can improve the quality of air. We use mechanical ventilation system. For the basement, we use fan and vent to exhaust the exciting basement air and introduce fresh outdoor air. It provides great flexibility and automation. For the balanced ventilation, it's designed to provide fresh air to bedroom and lounge where people spend the most time. This is our bubble diagram that can show our area connection. So now, let me introduce about our concept City of Desert. We incorporate this subject and natural element into our design concept, such as ocean, sand dunes, forest, and cave. Why we use this kind of elements is because this epidemic has affected the current life. So we decide to use those natural elements to reminding people to take care of the environment and at the same time to let people back to natural. Let's see the ground floor furniture layout plan. For the entrance, you can see an idea of flower better greenhouse design and coffee shop, florist shop, management office, grocery shop, and communal garden. Basement furniture layout plan can show the area of swimming pool, bar area, vending area, and multifunction room. First floor furniture layout plan have 5 micro house unit design, recreation area, and balcony. This project have ground floor, first floor, and basement. For this section, show the wall design of our design area. For section Y to Y, also show the ceiling design and wall design, which is inspired by mountain and ocean wave. This axonometric show the whole area design view. and color scheme and wall design. When going inside by entrance, can see the coffee shop at the right hand side. The overall idea is come from the ocean sound. Ceiling design is inspired by the ocean wave with chiffon material. The counter is inspired by the whalefish with the line street light as the whalefish ventral growth. The window shape can be interpreted as starfish shape. This is allowed the scene in the cafe to attract customers from outside. So next, florist area. Florist wall has made a hole to put some decoration and both sides built-in showcase is inspired by the cave. The ceiling are hanging the chiffon and the kinetic ring. Then the flooring pattern is choose like a sand dunes feel. There are plenty of florist area of ocean wave, falling rain, flowers view, and other calming imagery that will be sure to bring an inner smell to your spirit. So next, staircase idea comes from the mountain shape and forest. So next, the communal garden is inspired by flower petal, which is inspired florist idea. You can see a lot of the pendant light surrounding the flower petal shaped greenhouse, which is inspired by a school of fish swimming surrounding it. The flower petal shape is used steel and timber to support and has wire mesh design. Inside of it can take picture, and the back wall looks like a mountain shaped curve that from wall linked to ceiling, and also have seat and table can pull down from the wall. So next, the management office looks simple for worker feel comfortable during walking. Can see the wall design looks like a layer of the sandwich. For the grocery design, the ceiling design do a shape. It looks like a mountain shape. And beside there has wooden panel design, and it's inspired by the hill. So both of the design can be continued and connected. For the rack and the middle also design looks like a mountain shape. Grocery will use shelf cashier machine. The reason is during period of COVID, so we need to have social distancing. So the French window can let the customer look across to the small garden. Next, the small garden can show the circle garden at the middle, and the chandelier is inspired by a school of fish. It's surrounding the small garden. The wall is like texture pen, and bottom is inspired by the ocean wave, which is using the tinted black mirror. So next, multifunction room purpose to create a seabed feeling. The interior overall is curved wall with some different thickness of the straight line. The ceiling design with the fiber light, and it's inspired by jellyfish. The shape of seating follow the ceiling design. So next, the vending area idea is come from the mountain. Built-in table with simple wall, mountain shape, design in repeating. As you can see, the vending machine also according the mountain shape to arrange it. So next, bar and swimming area idea is come from the ocean as the swimming pool. The bar and swimming area idea is come from the ocean as the swimming pool to cave. As the backsplash have the straight line to flower as the arch is inspired by the flower petals spread into 5 pieces. It looks like a feeling of blooming out, straight line in ocean wave shape. The floor material surrounding the swimming pool with rock material for making people attention. About the balcony area, it looks like a forest and ocean idea. The purpose for balcony is for the client can relax and barbecue at the balcony. Can see the curved wall shape, which is inspired by ocean wave. The chair built by wood, which looks like the wood grain. The stone walkway go through to patio umbrella there, and the chair is inspired by the ocean wave. This is for the chair structure dimension. For the recreation area is for residents to gather and enjoy movie. The wall material is using the stone and curved panel design. The wall strip design are continue the unit wall design. Behind with the beanbag can let president who play the board game or chit chat at their Unit 1 backsplash idea is come from mountain shape, and with the straight line, there has a platform to separate kitchen and the bed area. Last, for the Unit 2 is same as Unit 1, but backsplash idea is different. Backsplash idea is come from mountain shape panel. It's also more in ocean feeling. These are all what I want to share with everyone. Thank you for your attention. We hope everyone can feel the feeling of nature, relaxable and creative in our design. Thank you.